Good morning. Wala bang ulan dito? Ano ba? Hindi mo ba ko sasagutin? Itong buhay to?
You want puto? Etong puto ay saksak mo sa baga mo! Kapal talaga ng mukha mo, no? You're the one complaining? I've been the one working so hard here at home, and all you've done is nothing but being a useless job. Let me remind you, wala kang ambag sa bahay na to.
Anong sabi mo? Walang ambag? Ha?
Ano ba? Sige, subukan mo! Wait, no! Will you always have to be like this? Will the two of you always be like this? Fighting over and over again?
Mga walang kwenta!
Kahit lang?
Na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligay ay tila ba walang
Ay, okay ka lang. Anong sakit? Wala masakit? Sige na. Ano na kayo kasi malilate na kami sa school. Sigurado ka na eh?
buhay na makulay ang tatahakin, minsan ay madarapa.
Hello, Glide. Napatawag ka.
Hey, where are you? Nandito na ang CI natin. Saan ka na ba? I already know that our instructor is strict. Baka bigyan ka naman ng extension.
Ay, ito, papunta na. Hinatid ko muna kasi si Sheila sa school. Nagka-problema din kasi sa bahay eh.
Sige, faster ha.
O, sige, bye. Yes, anak. Okay lang ako. Lola, she's gonna be okay. Mag-focus ka lang muna sa school, ha? Aral ka na mabuti, ha? Kasi malilita tayo.
Furniture materials ready?
Good morning, students. Lucky, right? Are you ready for today's demonstration? What do you mean your materials are not yet complete? I already told you last week to complete your materials, and now what? You are a disgrace to this department. Miss Sabordo! Late? Again? Enough! I don't want to hear any of your reason again. What was this block again? Block A. Kung ikukumpara ko kayo sa ibang blocks, walang-wala kayo. I have expected a lot from you and you call yourself nurses of the future?
No one that breaks me. I may have
brown sugar? Yeah, you're right, girl. That's so cheap.
Babe, are you done picking food now? I'm so hungry.
Okay, babe. I will order cheesecake with iced coffee as usual.
Mine is I have some spring pesto pasta salad with asparagus. How about it you? Oh guys, I forgot. I have eaten na pala. You guys ate na lang.
Are you sure, Timmy?
Yes, pupunta pa ako sa next class ko. Ha?
Okay. Next time na lang, okay? Bye. Bye-bye.
She's so
Okay, listen up. You can't just call her weird for counting coins, nor look down on her for lacking the money to pay for her own food. Look, people like her try their best in the day just to not spend money at all, including necessities such as food and water. Look, they live with the shame of not having money, but that doesn't make them any less of a human being. There are those who can succeed even without spending that much, or with financial difficulties. And look where they are now. People can do anything if they just wanted to, or they set their mind to it. But I know that journey is difficult, not only for her, but also for us, for the people who can't guarantee that safe and comfortable future, for those who just wake up every day thinking of the consequences of our financial status. But I know that road is closed for even people who put their blood, sweat, and tears, who won't even live to see their future or their dreams. And destiny will only do this. Maintain that determination. Continue to work hard and keep going.
Ang buhay lamang kulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan di
Ma?
ay
Nak, ano nangyari? Masakit.
Hi, why does it have to be like this? I always see my classmates getting picked up with their dads. How come no one picks me up from school? Why Lola and Lolo always fighting?
Sometimes adults get into little fights because they care for each other. Your lolo, he loves your lola so much. That's why sometimes he gets mad. And that's how he shows his love for your lola.
But is it hurting someone bad?
Anak, when you're a little bit older and wiser, you'll understand.
Okay, Mom, but Mom, you'll always be by my side, right?
Yes, anak, even when you're older.
aakay sa'yo.
Babe, buka ko siya.
Ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko. Buhay na may ganda.
Nay, ano problema? Tutulog yung bata.
Sige nga dyan.
Ano bang hinahanap mo?
Asan niyo po ang bayad sa renta natin dito?
Pangyaran mo saglit, pambayan natin sa utang ni Mario.
Natin? Anong natin? Utang mo! Nagsusugal ka na naman! Wala na nga tayong pangkain sa pang-araw-araw. Tapos nakuha mo pa magsugal?
Babalik ko naman sa susunod na araw ah.
Ano ba? Kailan na naman yung susunod na araw mo, ha? Sinisingil na nga tayo ni ating chuching, ha? Ano ba? Pinaghirapan ko yun! Ang kapal talaga ng mukha mo! Wala ka talagang silbi dito! Ano ba? Nag-aaway na naman kayo! Nag-aaral yung tao eh!
Palagi na ako masama rito. Isa pa to yung pinagbabalaki mong anak, wala na ang ambag, nagpabuntis pa!
Wala kang bag? Hindi ba nag-aaral naman ako para makatulong sa pamilyang to? Hindi ba't ikaw yung pabayang ama na walang ibang ginawa kundi uminom? Wala naman akong hinihingi na kahit ano sa inyo. Na scholar naman ako. Yung mga panahon palagi akong umakyat stage para tumanggap ng award. Di ba? Walang kahit iisa sa inyo ang sumipot. Ikaw, Tay. Yung kailangan ko ng kakampi para protektahan ako sa mga nag-aami sa akin. Nasaan ka? Hindi ba kailangan ko maging malakas para sa sarili mo? Tama na. Ikaw nga eh.
Minsan di na
Yung pinagbubuntis mo si Sheila, kinailangan kita. Kaya nga ako nabuntis ng maaga eh. Kasi kinailangan ko ng kalinga at gabay ng isang ina.
ay may nagmamahal pa rin.
Kaya yun, ang resulta, naghanap ako sa ibang tao ng kalinga na kayang ulan na tutuloy mo bilang isang ina.
Sa puso ko
Wala na hindi, tapos natapos ako sa pamilya ko. Sandali.
sa ating mundo.
Once upon a time, there was a girl. In her years, she had to learn how to grow up, living in a world that she called home. Hearing all the yelling, I would cry up in my room, hoping it will be over soon. In the house of one, where episode, only child stands all alone. Family ties are threads so thin, fragile lines that breaks within. Mother's dreams, father's fears, whispered night like tears. No siblings here. We shared alone, just a solitary, bending low. Teenage years, fragile time, where innocence and angst combine. One night changes everything. A light within begins to fade. Whispers in the schoolyard spread. Eyes to judge, words unsaid. Parents hope, don't tinge with dread. Future paths, so quickly read. Mother cries in silent rooms. Father's anger, quiet moves. Child, no bearing life anew. A cycle starts, old and true. In the house, the shadow plays. An only child must find her way, balancing on the edge of dreams, caught between what is and seems. Yet, in sweat of love and pain, strength emerges, not in vain. For in the heart, despite its strife, blooms the fragile flower of life. New beginnings, lessons learned. Hearts once whole, now slowly turn. Family ties, though bent and scarred, hold the promise, healing heart.
kasi nagwala na naman sa bahay. Gusto ko muna ilayo yung bata sa gulong.
Okay, of course. Walang problema sa akin. Anything for you, Chilan.
Pwede ba makituloy muna kami dyan?
Sige. Nandito lang ako sa bahay. Will I pick you up?
Sige, kami na lang yung pupunta dyan.
Sige. I will wait for you here, ha?
Sige. Sige na.
Hey, ano ba nangyari sa inyo?
Oo, anak, magmano ka sa tita mo.
Come here, get inside. Upo kayo, upo. Ano ba nangyari sa inyo? In the middle of the night?
Ako, Blake, salamat talaga ha. Pinatuloy mo kami ng anak ko.
Ano ba nangyari?
Si tatay kasi.
Yung tatay mo na naman.
Oo, nawala na naman sa bahay. Hindi ko na kinaya. Yung bata, kailangan kong ilagay sa gulong.
Dito muna kayo tumuloy. Just stay here na lang.
Okay lang ba yun sa'yo?
Oo naman, Kay. Wait, I'll get you some water. Here. Here. Saan ba nangyari? Ano bang plano mo?
Ayun nga, sana makahanap na ako ng trabaho while I'm here. Gusto ko sana magpag-
Kay, ano ka ba? It's okay. Let's
Ay,
see.
ano ba?
No, it's okay.
Ayoko namang maging pabigat kami sa inyo.
Fine. Ano ba gusto mong trabaho?
Kahit ano, basta makapusap lang ako.
Wait, may kilala akong Becky na friend. I can recommend you there. Manager siya ng bar.
So, possible, magiging yung waitress ako doon.
Oo naman.
Sige, sure. Basta mas makakatulong talaga ako, guys. Kasi ayoko maging charity case sa'yo.
Ano ka ba, Kay? It's okay talaga. I'm your best friend.
Sige, maasahan ko yan ha.
Okay, I will recommend you to Jimmy and then you can start working there by tomorrow. Okay, doon muna kayo sa kwarto ko.
Ang sarap dito.
Ang daming pogi! There! Ayun daw, may kapot! Ayun ba mo rin? Hi, where are you from? Would you like to join us?
No, sorry. But I'm actually about to go. I have a phone call today.
There! Ayun daw, may kapot! Ayun ba mo rin? Hi, where are you from? Would you like to join us?
No, sorry. But I'm actually about to go. I have a phone call today.
Dad, I don't like hapon! Nangyari sa'yo, be! Sabi ko naman sa'yo, wag ka sa hapon!
Oh, ano ka ba? Galante ang mga hapon! Lalo na kapagpili ng party kayo! Oy! Ang mga ko ng mga yuta! Gitso na gitso! Ay, ito pa! Ang pinagyak ko sa lahat ha! Pakita kayo! Pag nagyunakan ka, iyon ang pera! Kamusta ba ang buhay natin dito mga kapala? Ano? Oo, sige yan!
It's getting to my nerves. Let's go, girls! Waiter!
Thank you for gracing us here tonight.
Thank you.
So, you stay dito sa bar.
Okay na.
So, kung may kailangan mo kayo, sabihin niyo sa amin ha. Para pag mapagsilbihan namin kayo. Thank you. Hi, girls! Bago kayo dito ah. So mag-enjoy lang kayo ha, babalikan.
Thank you!
Oy, ano, chismis nyo dyan? Maraming mga customer, oh, pagsulbihan nyo. Ang bagal-bagal.
Sorry, right?
Oo nga pala, munti ko nang kalibutan. Sabahan nyo, nakakairita. Tatawagan ko muna. Ay, hindi ka pa namin hinihintay.
Hello sir, sorry, medyo nalate ako.
Okay lang, ipapakilala ka sa makasama mo. Girls, halika kayo. Si Kay bago nyo makasama rito.
Hi guys, ito na pala bagong waitress dito. Hi, I'm from the Ibon community. Until that, for short, tunahan.
So, halika, magpakilala kita. Bigtong customer natin dito. Bakit ang bigay niya? Hello, Mr. Javier. Nice seeing you here tonight. So, may bago akong recruit at papakilala ko siya sa'yo.
Then show me what you got.
Okay lang.
Hello po sir, good evening. Kay po, bagong waitress dito. Ready to serve you po anytime.
Are you the new one? You're Kay, right? I'm Jason Abdiel. You have a nice body case. It's okay. We have the most expensive shop. Then how about you?
Yes, sir.
Two.
Okay, sir. I'll get your order straight away. Babe,
Yes?
I'll just rest your restroom, okay? I'll be back in a second.
Sure.
Hey, are you been living here? Don't you know me? Well, obviously you don't know me. If I were you, stop working on here. Just don't know what will happen to you next. And stop praising on your husband, okay? Got it? Yes, okay. Sorry if I take too long.
It's okay. Hey, my friend! It's been a while.
Boss, do you know this guy?
Sorry to keep you waiting. So, traffic here in Manila. How are you? I'm doing fine. How about this? No, we didn't take order because we don't know what food you like. Order now, it's on me. I see. Waiter, please.
Yes, please, sir.
Can you lend me the most expensive wine on your menu?
Okay, sir. I'll be serving you right away.
Okay, thank you. So what do you have for me? I have something here that might interest you, my friend. I know it's very expensive, but it's really, really worth it. This is the Ectazan Caniba sauce, imported from Mexico. Try this, and you'll get experience. All your imaginations come into reality. Sounds interesting. I'll have one. Honey, I'll give it to you. You'll be the one to transfer the money to his account. It's a pleasure having business with you. Pleasure doing business. Now, enjoy the dinner. Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let us be entertained by our sexy ladies, the Sex Bombs.
check if you want. Let's go. The enter 6 is the table over there. Alpha, secure the building. Beta, move. Signal locking.
Everybody get down! Get down!
You, check those guys. Stand. You, madam, I haven't checked you yet.
Wait! Why are you checking on me? I'm just new here. Wait.
Ma'am, don't move.
I have a proof.
Put your hands up.
I can have a proof.
Ma'am, don't move!
I have a proof. I swear.
Ma'am, hands up. Positive on drugs.
Sir, what happened here?
Tanggapan.
Ang mga pulot halaman ay kabiyak ng
That I'll fight and dreams away. If you stay, always stay. There was a ransom to be paid. No such, no one ever tasted. But the strikers come like night with their voices soft as the blood as they tear your hopes apart, as they turn their dreams to shame. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. Now my life has killed the dreams I dreamed.
Dave, are the preparations ready for the interview?
Oh yes, they're all organized.
Okay, good. The mayor's coming, and I make sure to not miss all the juicy details. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Kayo po ba yung mga reporter from CBC Network?
Yeah.
Madam, may be entering the room shortly. Are there no changes with the interview you sent by email?
Yes, there are no changes. Here are the index cards.
Okay. I will be releasing this to Madam Mayor.
Thank you. You sure?
Mayor, they are the reporters from CBC Network. Sir?
Good morning, my name is Ethan. I'm from the CBC channel, and this is my assistant. Okay, we are on cue. Camera rolling in 3, 2, 1.
To address the recent happenings in our community, I'd like to make a speech about how gruesome of what happened to our fellow citizens in our communities, especially to an innocent life, young one actually. Especially she's from the poverty line. It's very unfair for her. It's such an injustice, and I know this is a result of bad governance. You know, bad governance is like a virus infecting the body of society. It corrupts its organs and weakens its immune system. And with how the government has been treating us here in our community, it's such a shame that they're the people who've put in position, and yet they're the first ones to turn their backs against us. And I could just enumerate all of the things that they've done to us, the government has done to us. But then again, it would be so much and that would take up so much time. So I just like to emphasize these two of what they're currently doing to us. First is merciless killings towards the innocents, especially people from the poverty line, and of course corruption. And I think that the causes of bad governance, could it be lack of accountability and voice? Are we not speaking enough? Or maybe political underdevelopment? Do we have weak voting strategies? And even corruption. But what is the root cause of all of this? Is it us, the voters? Or is it actually the attitudes of who we are electing? What could be the effects of bad governance to our community? Is it failed state, or poor economic growth, or even increased corruption? But all of this, I'm still hoping that there could be a beacon of light. There would be a voice that would say that things like this should stop, because many people are getting affected, especially the people from the poverty line, who are usually the victims of this. Again, as I said earlier, it's the people from the poverty line. It's people that don't have that much voice to talk to begin with. And I think that's unfair because it's injustice towards them. Why should they be discriminated against such things? And, how can we solve things like this? Should we demand transparency? Or deal with corruption ourselves? Maybe enforce new laws? Or even pin the corrupts and make them accountable for the things that they did? To aim for good governance, we must also have good voting strategies. We must put the people in position on a spotlight. And injustices like this should be rubbed into their faces, and they should know what accountability really is.
What a wonderful speech, Mayor. But for the last time on CBC channel, what can you say on behalf of everybody present here in this rally?
I'd just like to say to them that I empathize with what they're feeling. I know it's hard to lose someone that you really love, but I think that as long as we stick together as a community, we can get past through this adversity and look at the future in a brighter light.
All right, cut the feed. Okay, thank you so much, Matt. For your time. Thank you.
Good morning Philippines and hello world! Para sa nagbabagang mga balita, Mayor Joy dinumog ng mga rallyista. Kabayan, ano bang update dyan sa Uzami City?
Hello kabayan, nandito ako sa Uzami City kung saan puno ng emosyon ang mga nagtipong-tipong tao na humihingi ng hustisya dahil sa nangyaring insidente sa kamakailan na drug raid na nangyari sa isang club sa syudad natin. May isang dalagitang nabawian ng kanyang buhay at ito ay nagangalang kay Abordo, 19 anyos. Ika nga ng mga pulis na pumunta sa drug raid ay nanlaban daw ito kabayan. Ang dalagitang ito nang tinanong kung anong laman ng kanyang bulsa. Pinauukulan naman ni Mayor Joy ang isang talumpati ukol sa nangyaring karahasan ng isang sa mga lokal na broadcasting centers dito sa syudad natin. Pero sa halip na suporta at simpatya ay nagbunga ito ng isang rally dahil sa giit ng rallyista na nag-abang sa labas ng broadcasting center ay isang kawalan ng katarungan at pang-aapi ng inosente at walang kamuang-muwang na pangyayari sa pagpatay. At ani nga nila, walang magawa ang mayora para pigilan ang marahas na pangyayari. Balik sa iyo kabayan.
This film is a work of fiction. Names, character, businesses, places, events, locals, and incidents are either the product of the author's imagination or used in a fictitious manner. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual event is purely coincidental. The views and opinions expressed in this film are those of the characters and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of any agency of the filmmakers, the production company, or any other entity associated with the production. All stunts and activities performed in this film are conducted by professionals in controlled environments. Do not attempt to replicate or reenact any activities, stunts, or behaviors depicted in this film. This film contains content that may be inappropriate for some audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Look who we are the dreamers, they make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Cause to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Cause to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respect and love the only way. If you wanna come, come with me. The door is open every day. This 1 + 2 rendezvous, all about it. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Cause to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Cause to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. We are the dreamers, they make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Cause to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Cause to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Look who we are the dreamers, they make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it.